What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. LayerBrett is being called the best crypto to buy right now by mainstream media, which is putting it way ahead of Pepe and Shiba Inu. And with the pre-sale live and running insanely bullish, this is still one of the biggest opportunities of this season. That being said, guys, let's dive into the latest updates and see why the hype keeps building. Welcome back, guys. As I was saying, while Pepe and Shiba Inu are still getting all the memes, more and more mainstream outlets are pointing to LayerBrett as the smarter move if you're looking for serious upside right now. The project has viral traction, real-world utility, and a pre-sale that is already pulled in millions. That is exactly why this project is quickly becoming the name that everyone's talking about as some of the older meme coins start to fade. Massive mainstream coverage has pushed it into the conversation with the top utility tokens to watch, and you can see exactly why. The pre-sale has crossed 3.5 million raised, token prices are already up over 37%, and demand just keeps climbing. This tells me that there is strong momentum here and we are still early in the move. And that momentum makes so much sense when you look at what sets LayerBrett apart. Unlike Pepe or SHIB that mostly run on nostalgia and memes, LayerBrett is built with real utility that plugs directly into Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem, which gives it staying power beyond the hype. For anyone looking for big upside without chasing pure speculation, this is exactly the kind of setup worth paying attention to. They've got a capped supply of just 10 billion tokens to keep inflation in check. They've got an insane staking model offering around 900% APYs that rewards long-term holders, and a $1 million giveaway campaign that is combined with a strong marketing push to keep new eyes on the project. That combination is the kind of firepower that can carry this entire pre-sale energy straight through its exchange launch, and based on the demand so far, it's definitely shaping up to be one of the strongest plays this cycle. Now, guys, what's also worth mentioning is that all of the strength in the pre-sale is heavily backed up by the constant progress the team is delivering. LayerBrett just rolled out a live developments update page so everyone can follow along with the L2 build in real time, which is huge for transparency and keeping momentum high. The first update confirmed that development on the LayerBrett Ethereum L2 is officially underway, and the team started by upgrading every core component to the latest stable version, so they are building one of the most secure and feature-rich foundation possible. That kind of work up front lowers future risks and makes the whole rollout smoother when they start connecting everything together. The second update showed that they've already thinking about user experience by drafting the gas price model that will make transactions fast and cheap without risking network spam. Keeping fees low but balanced at this early stage is a strong sign that they're very serious about scalability and adoptions, and updates like this keep the entire community locked in and excited for what's coming next. With that being said, guys, LayerBrett is still at a crazy low entry point right now, sitting at just around half a cent, which makes it one of those rare low-cap gems with serious room to grow. It blends meme culture with real technology in a way that most rivals cannot keep up with, which is exactly why there is so much hype building around it. The roadmap is stacked with NFT integrations, gamified staking, and cross-chain interoperability that shows that this is building out an entire ecosystem with room to grow. As I said, guys, at this stage of the pre-sale, LayerBrett is giving a fast, affordable, and rewarding way to get into an Ethereum Layer 2 that is actually built for scalability and long-term adoption. And with Pepe and SHIB still leaning on pure sentiment, this is the project that mixes hype with real utility, and the pre-sale is still early enough to catch before the next big move. Don't miss it. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.